Hello students, good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to our online class. Myself Shraddha Miss and my subject is General Knowledge. So, now our syllabus was completed for SA2 exams and now it's time to revision. Revision makes you perfect. Okay, so let's go for a revision. You all know about that. We are always going to start our lesson with a quote. And what is today's quote? Today's quote is: avoid the crowd, do your own thinking independently, be the chess player, not the chess piece. What is today's quote? Today's quote is: avoid the crowd, do your own thinking independently, be the chess player, not the chess piece. This quote said we should believe on our own thinking, not on the majority's thoughts. Okay? Now let's start our revision. Kids, please prepare your textbook and pencils. I hope you all are ready with your textbook and pencils, right? Now let's start the revision. Today we are going to start revision of lesson number 27, the useful instruments. Let's start. Which picture is this? This picture is of binocular. What is the use of binocular? Binoculars are mainly used for zooming in objects that are far to get a clear view. This is done with the help of magnification. This picture is binocular. B-I-N-O-C-U-L-A-R. Binocular. Now, next image is this image of radar. What is the use of radar? Radar, electronomagnetic sensor used for detecting, locating, tracking and recognizing objects of various kind at distance. It operates by transmitting electromagnetic energy toward objects commonly referred to as target and observing the echoes returned from them. This image is radar, R-A-D-A-R, radar. Now, next image is compass. What is the use of compass? A compass is magnetometer used for navigation and orientation that shows direction relative to geographic cardinal directions or points. Usually a diagram called a compass rose shows the directions north, south, east on west. Now, Now let's see the next image. Next image is of speedometer. 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 What is the use of speedometer? A speedometer or speed meter is a gauge that measures and displays the speed of vehicles. This image of speedometer, Speedometer, speedometer. Now let's see the next image. What is the image of? This image is rain gauge. RAIN, rain, GAUGE, rain gauge. A rain gauge is really just a cylinder that catches rain. If an inch collects in the cylinder, it means an inch of rain has fallen. It's that simple. Most standard rain gauges have a wide funnel leading into the cylinder and are calibrated so that 1/10 of an inch of rain measures 1 inch when it collects inside. Rain gauge, RAINGAUGE, rain gauge. Now, next image is, I know you all about that, right? You all know the answer. Which image is this? This image is thermometer, right? What is the use of thermometer? A thermometer is a device that measures temperature or a temperature granted. A thermometer has two important elements: a temperature sensor, in which some change occurs with a change in temperature, and some means of converting this change into a numerical value. This image of thermometer, THERMOMETER, thermometer. Now see the next image. This image of microscope, MICROSCOPE, microscope. What is the use of microscope? A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. Microscope, MICROSCOPE, microscope. Now let's see the next image. You all know the answer, right? Which image is this? Anybody guess the answer? This image of stethoscope, STETHOSCOPE, stethoscope. What is the use of stethoscope? The stethoscope is a medical device for listening to internal sounds of an animal or human body. It typically has a small disc-shaped resonator that is placed against the skin and one or two tubes connected to the earpieces. This image of stethoscope, STETHOSCOPE, stethoscope. Now let's see the next image. Which image is this? This image is telescope. What is the use of telescope? A telescope is an optical instrument using lens, curved mirrors, or a combination of both to observe distant objects, or various devices used to observe distant objects by their emission or reflection of electromagnetic radiation. Telescope, TELESCOPE, telescope. Now let's see next image. This image of megaphone, MEGAPHONE, megaphone. What is the use of megaphone? A megaphone, speaking trumpet, blowhorn or louder, is usually a portable or handheld cone-shaped horn used to amplify a person's voice or other sounds and direct it in a given direction. Megaphone, MEGAPHONE, megaphone. Let's see the next image. What is the image of this? This is an image of seismograph. What is the use of seismograph? A seismometer is an instrument that responds to ground motion such as caused by the earthquake and explosions. Seismometers are usually combined with a timing device or recording device to form a seismograph. This is a seismograph and this one is seismometer. Now let's see the next image. You all know the answer, right? What is the image of this? This image is periscope. What is the use of periscope? Periscope, optical instrument used in land and sea warfare, submarine navigation and elsewhere to enable an observer to see his surrounding while remaining under cover or submerged. Periscope, PERISCOPE, periscope. Let's see the next image. Which image is this? These are smart bands, no? This is pedometer. What is this? These are pedometer and also smart band. A pedometer is a device, usually portable and electronic or electromagnetical, that counts each step a person takes by detecting the motion of the person's hands or hips. Pedometer, PEDOMETER, pedometer. Now let's see the next image. This image of barometer, BAROMETER, barometer. What is the use of barometer? A barometer is a scientific instrument that is used to measure air pressure in a certain environment. Pressure tendency can forecast short-term changes in the weather. Many measurements of air pressure are used within surface weather analysis to help find surface thaw, pressure systems and frontal boundaries. Barometer, Barometer, barometer. Let's start solving this lesson. Lesson number 27, Useful Instruments. This is the instruction given in the book. Fill in the blanks. Now see the first blank of this lesson. A blank is used for looking at objects. A blank is used for looking at objects. Answer is binocular. B-I-N-O-C-U-L-A-R. Binocular. A binocular is used for looking at objects. Now let's move for the next blank. Number 2. A blank is used to find the position of plane and ships when they cannot be seen. Number 2 is a blank is used to find the position of plane and ships when they cannot be seen. Answer is radar. R-A-D-A-R. R-A-D-A-R, radar. A radar is used to find the position of planes and ships when they cannot be seen. Now move for the next blank. Number 3. A blank is used to determine the direction. A blank is used to determine the direction. Answer is compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S, compass. Third answer is compass. A compass is used to determine the direction. Now let's move for the next blank. Number 4. Number 4. A blank is an instrument placed in a vehicle to record its speed. A blank is an instrument placed in a vehicle to record its speed. Answer is speedometer. Fourth answer is speedometer. S-P-E-E-D-O-M-E-T-E-R, speedometer. A speedometer is an instrument placed in a vehicle to record its speed. Now let's move for the next blank. A blank is used for recording rainfall. Number 5th blank is a blank is used for recording rainfall. Answer is rain gauge. Fifth answer is rain gauge. R-A-I-N, rain, G-A-U-G-E, rain gauge. A rain gauge is used for recording rainfall. Let's move for the next blank. Number 6th one. A blank is used for measuring temperature. Number 6 blank is used for measuring temperature. Answer is thermometer. Sixth answer is thermometer. THERMOMETER, thermometer. A thermometer is used for measuring temperature. Now let's move for the next blank. Number 7. A blank is used for enlarging small objects. Number 7 is a blank is used for enlarging small objects. Answer is microscope. Seventh answer is microscope. MICROSCOPE, microscope. A microscope is used for enlarging small objects. Now, move for the next blank. Number 8 is a blank is used to hear the movement of the lungs and heart. A blank is used to hear the movement of the lungs and heart. Answer is stethoscope. Eighth answer is stethoscope. STETHOSCOPE, stethoscope. Stethoscope is used to hear the movement of lungs and heart. Now let's move for the next blank. Number 9. Number 9 is a blank is used to view objects in outer space. Number 9 is a blank is used to view objects in outer space. Answer is telescope. Ninth answer is telescope. TELESCOPE, telescope. A telescope is used to view objects in outer space. Now let's move for the next blank. Number 10. Number 10 is a blank is used to make your sound louder. A blank is used to make your sound louder. Answer is megaphone. 10th answer is megaphone. MEGAPHONE, megaphone. A megaphone is used to make your sound louder. Now let's move for the next blank. Number 11. Number 11 is a blank is used to the movement of the Earth's crust. A blank is used to the movement of the Earth's crust. Answer is seismograph. Answer is seismograph. SCISMOGRAPH, seismograph. SCISMOGRAPH, seismograph. A seismograph is used to the movements of the Earth's crust. Now let's move for the next blank. Number 12. Number 12 is a blank is used in submarine to view objects above the surface of the sea. A blank is used in submarine to view objects above the surface of the sea. Answer is periscope. 12th answer is periscope. 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 A periscope is used in submarine to view objects above the surface of the sea. Now let's move for the next blank. Number 13. A blank is used for measuring distance traveled on foot. Number 13 is a blank is used for measuring distance traveled on foot. Answer is pedometer. 13th answer is pedometer. 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 A pedometer is used for measuring distance traveled on foot. Now let's move for the next and last blank of this lesson. Number 14. A blank is used to measure air pressure. A blank is used to measure air pressure. Answer is barometer. 14th answer is barometer. 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 A barometer is used to measure air pressure. So students, now we are completed revision of lesson number 27. This is revised once again. Okay, now stay home and stay safe students. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.